सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्.
I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis. The satsang subject, complete the complication of conflicts. Of course, when you complicate the complication also, it is completion. Complete the complication of conflicts. Complication. Please understand. Fear is not complication. Afraid of fears is complication. Greed is not complication. Greed about the greed is complication. Desire to have more and more desires is complication. Fear is not complication. Afraid of fears is complication. In all your lives, conflicts are not problem. Complication of the conflicts is the problem. For example, should I wipe my face with this kerchief or this kerchief? This is a conflict. It will never be a problem because when I needed to wipe the face, I'll just choose any one and clear it. But now I don't even need to wipe the face, but I am sitting and worrying. Then there is going to be one time where I may need to wipe my face. What will I do? This one or this one? Which is more closer to me? For which I need to spend less calorie energy in my body? And which kerchief might have been washed and ironed? Which kerchief might have been completely clean when it was put in the washing machine? Which one may be retaining the good smell even now? And maybe which one was made in US and which one was made in China? Which one was made in US and assembled in China? Fabric has a capacity to hold, and which one will not cause any skin disorder to me? This is complication. All of you understand? And finally, end of the day, I may not even need to wipe my face. Much of our problem is complication of the conflicts. As we were studying in the sessions last 2 days, you have been beaten or abused at the age of 8 or 9. It's a conflict. But still you are being beaten mentally with that memory is complication of the conflict. You go on complicating the conflicts. I lived with so many masters who have mastered different powers, capabilities. I have seen a sadhu who can create any music just from the mouth. It can be drums, piano, flute, sitar. No instrument is required for him. He will just sit like this. This is actually a mudra. And taka 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 taka. Only the tummy will dance. His both hands will be like this. Tummy will dance and from mouth the sound will come. He was living near Gandhi's birthplace, Porbandar. I think even now he must be alive because when I saw him, he was only 50. And he's a yogi. I can be 100% sure. He's still alive. I have seen hundreds of masters. I have seen amazing architects. I tell you, please understand. This is the mantra. Catch it. When you don't complicate the conflicts, you just get a mastery over the conflict, and that conflicts become spiritual powers.
Inner Awakening. Health Recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda, March 13th to April 2nd, 2013. Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact 097422 Email ia@nityananda.org.
Nityanandam, I'm Ananda Andal, and I'm a 14-year-old disciple of Swamiji. And Inner Awakening has been a really amazing experience. Being with Swamiji for 21 days in his breathing space is just like, you have to go. It's even if you have the money or not, just write an intention and get blessings from Swamiji. You have to go. It's so much fun. You get darshans from him like every night, and you can ask him whatever you want, and it's just amazing. The people here are like your family. You just like feel connected to everyone. You're just like a big family, and it's all happy and blissful, and you do yoga every day in the morning and meditations and kriyas, and you spend a whole day with Swamiji, which is like the best thing ever everyone like would want. And so the food is like all vegetarian, which is surprisingly really good. 21 days with Swamiji is really amazing, being in his breathing space, and everyone has to experience this. Even if they can come. If they can't, they still have to come, because it's amazing. It's like one in a lifetime experience. I think it's gonna really help me, because I'm like in relationship and all that. It's just helping me realize all this stuff, so when I get older, I don't have to go through all the struggles that people have to go through to realize this. So I'm really blessed that at 14 I'm getting all this. You could come at any age as long as you're open to whatever Swamiji is going to be teaching you. So whatever age you are, you have to come.
ಶಿವ ಎಂದರೆ ಮಂಗಳತ್ವ.
ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ.
ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 10ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು 2013 ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವಂತ ಅವತಾರ ಪುರುಷರಾದ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರ ಶಕ್ತಿಯುತವಾದ ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿಯ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಾಚರಣೆ, ಪರಮಹಂಸರಿಂದ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಸತ್ಸಂಗ, ಶಿವಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ, ಕಲ್ಪತರು ದರ್ಶನ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ. ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿರುವ ಶಿವ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಲು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸ್ಥಳ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠ, ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ನಗರ, ಬಿಡದಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ 7760980637 ಹಾಗೂ 9611215123.
Nityanandam. I am Jay Krishna. I am from Bangalore. So far the experience has been the ultimate in the Inner Awakening. I realized that unclutching is my true state. I don't have to do anything for it. More than all these states that I have experienced, what I really experienced with Swami in close quarters is Swami taught me how to eat like a mother, and he gave me the reason why I need to eat with my hands like a father. That is the experience that I would be taking away, the best experience that I would be taking away from this Inner Awakening. The greatest opportunity that anyone could get from these 21 days is you get to be in close quarters with Swamiji, you get to eat with him, you get to talk with him, you get to ask your most intimate questions and get the solutions that what you need. That is something which I was not expecting, apart from meditation, able to do meditation and clutching. These are all the expectations. But being able to be with Swami in such close quarters is something that I didn't expect, and that is the best thing that anyone can have. So that's what should be my takeaway from the entire Inner Awakening program.
When you don't complicate the conflicts, you just get a mastery over the conflict, and that conflicts become spiritual powers. Please understand. Conflicts are the seeds for spiritual powers. There is a conflict. Should I take energy through food or through the space? Don't complicate it. When you don't complicate and work with it, suddenly now you have the mastery over changing the system. One day you can take the energy from the prana, and one day you can just eat rasagullas and pizzas and whatnot. The moment you complicate, even to kerchief can destroy your life. If you don't complicate, even the biggest conflicts will become supernatural power for you. All supernatural power starts in you as conflicts. Understand? When you take one side, align, it becomes supernatural power. I don't know how many of you understand what I am saying. Any supernatural power. So when you don't complicate the conflicts themselves are capable of raising you to the next level and give you some powers and go. When you complete the complication of conflicts, you are healed once for all, and no conflict or no complication can pull you out of your completion. That is what I call radiating enlightenment. No one should be able to pull you out of your inner space, restful space. Living with mastery is success. Mastery over your conflicts and conflict creating mechanism in you is the ultimate mastery. Understand? Mastery over the conflict creating mechanism in your system. Your mind by nature goes on creating conflicts, but your ego complicates the conflicts. Every time when people come and tell me their problems, I feel, oh God, why can't you just not complicate and get out of this? But any solution I give, they will be waiting to complicate that also. When you do icing on the cake, the effect is different, and icing on the cow dung, the effect is different. Sometimes I feel whenever I give solution, I am icing on the cow dung. And not even cow dung. I did not even tell you, understood? It means what? It's a dirty word. I am afraid to give solution because even out of my solution you will create problem for yourself. Mastery over the conflict creating mechanism in your system is miracle powers. It just creates thousands of miracles around your life. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 0974220331. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.